How to use Google Play gift card on Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your Google Play gift card on your Steam account. So first of all you have to do is just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just search for Google Play gift card and just click on the first link that you will see on the top and just click on where to buy. And here you will have these two options, whether you can go ahead and buy the gift card online, and you can also buy the gift card in store. Just see the retailers who are selling the Google Play gift card offline. But in this case, I'm going to buy the gift card online from my Amazon account. So just click on amazon.in, and after that on this page, you need to select the amount of the gift card that you would want to buy. You can also enter the amount manually if you don't find the amount on the list given below, and enter the recipient name, recipient email address and their name. And after that just also enter the quantity of the card, and once you're done entering it, and click on add to cart and click on proceed to buy. And after that just simply complete your transaction and buy the Google Play gift card from your Amazon account, and you will receive an e-form version of card in your email address that you have just mentioned in the gift card code center while purchasing it. And you will receive an email address with the gift card code and other details. And after that just simply open your Steam account and just log into your account. And once you're logged into your Steam account, just click on the profile icon from the top right, and from there just go to the accounts details section. And over here you need to click on add funds to your Steam wallet. Just tap on it. And now on the right hand side you will see the option called see my account details and redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Just simply click on it, and here in the Steam wallet code you need to enter the Google Play gift card that you have just bought from your Amazon account. Over here just mention the Google Play gift card code right here, and after that just click on continue. And this way your Google Play gift card code amount will be added in your Steam account. Then you will be able to use it later on for any in-app purchase and other things that you would want to do in your Steam account. So this is basically how you will be able to use your Google Play gift card on your Steam account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.